out here with Mellow. He's 5 years old. Hi, baby. 5 years old, heartworm positive. Hi, honey. Hi. Heartworm positive, about 60 pounds. He has been to playgroup several times, and all the notes are consistently talking about how well he does in playgroup. He's very social, dainty, laid back, gentle play style. Sometimes not so unsure when he gets confronted with really rowdy dogs, so he's a definitely gentle, dainty one. And he's just out here. His name is really how he is. He's very mellow. Hi, baby. Just sniffing around. Hey, sweetheart. Can I see your face? He's really pretty. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Come on. Hi, baby. Come on, sweetheart. Come on, baby. He's sniffing, that's for sure. Hi, can I see your face? Oh, beautiful. Beautiful baby. That is Mellow.